Hello friends, welcome to BSS Studies. I am Bala. Today I will explain the continuation of organic chemistry. And yesterday we have learned the introduction, and today properties of organic compounds. Properties of organic compounds. And the first one, nature. Here organic compounds are non-ionic nature. Non-ionic nature. Non-ionic nature means it cannot be formed into ions. Okay. And the second one, melting points and boiling points are low. Melting points and boiling points are low. Third one, combustibility. Combustion is very easy, which means if we combust the organic compounds, it can be catch the fire easily. Okay, organic compounds can catch fire easily. Okay, so these are the three properties, and the fourth one, no fourth one is there. Only three: nature, non-ionic nature, it cannot be formed into ions. Melting point and boiling points are low. Combustion is very easy, which means organic compounds can catch fire easily. Okay, like urea. So these are the properties of organic compounds. And the kinds of formula of organic compounds. Kinds of formula of organic compounds. Here first formula, molecular formula. Molecular formula. Here how to represent molecular formula means, if I take methane, CH4, this is the molecular formula. Okay, methane molecular formula. And the next one, carbon dioxide, it is not an organic compound, but the formula is CO2. That is the representation of molecular formula. Second one, chain form, which means if I take N-butane, in the next classes I will tell what is N-butane. For example, if I take N-butane, chain form is like this. This is the chain form. Okay, chain form means the bonds linked between carbon and hydrogen can be represented by like this. This is called long chain form, which means like this branched. Okay, and the next one, condensed form. Here condensed form means by this chain form, it converted into simply, which means this is N-butane. It can be represented like this: CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is the condensed form of N-butane. N-butane. Condensed form of N-butane. Here chain form of N-butane is represented like this. Chain form, and this is the methane formula, and the condensed form CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, so these are the kinds of molecular formula. And the next one, fourth one, linked line representation. Line representation. Here, if I take N-hexane, formula is CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. No, CH2, CH3. This is the formula. Condensed form of N-hexane. Okay, line representation means like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which means here the line which is not attached to any is CH3. Okay, and here two bonds are there. For this tip, two bonds are there. Here for this tip, one bond is there. Okay, for this tip, two bonds are there, which means CH2. Okay, for these two bonds CH2, these two bonds CH2, these two bonds CH2. For this tip, only one bond CH3. Count how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here how many hydrogens? 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 3, 14. Here 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 3, 14. Hydrogens 14, carbons 6. This is the N-hexane. Here N-hexane general formula is CnH2n plus 2. This is the alkane. Okay. I will tell you in next classes what is alkane. So this is the line formula. Okay. So these are the kinds of formula of organic compounds. So this is the full introduction of organic chemistry. And if we see some examples, count how many carbons, hydrogens. Okay, carbons and hydrogens. And if we see how to count means, here for this tip only one bond, which means CH3. Here the main compound is CH4. The main compound using for calculating the carbons and hydrogens is CH4. And here if we take one bond subtracting from CH4, CH3 it forms. Taking one hydrogen from this linked CH4, CH3. For this tip, CH3. For this tip, CH3. For this tip, CH3. Here for this tip, CH3. Here for this tip, 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds. From CH4, 3 hydrogens removed. CH. For this tip, CH2, 2 bonds. For this tip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bonds are there. We can't say here the carbon will present or not, because carbon can form 4 bonds. Okay. So this diagram is wrong. Okay. And if we say, if this line is removed, the carbon valency satisfies. Here this point 1, 2, 3, 4, which means C. Okay. And if we see, here CH3, C, for this tip CH2, for this tip CH. And how many carbons? Which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carbons, hydrogens. 3 plus 1, 4, plus 1, 5, plus 8. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12, 14, 17, 19, 22. 22 hydrogens. Here C10H22, which means CnH2n plus 2 form, which means alkanes. This is the diagram. Can be a alkane. Can be a alkane. Here in example, this is the first example. How to count carbons and hydrogens in a structure. Okay. And if you see here another example, here for this tip 1, 2 bonds, so which means CH2. For this tip 1, 2, here this also can be counted. Okay, this is a pi bond. This is pi bond, and these bonds are sigma bonds. So here this bond is counted, which means 1, 2, 3. 3 means CH. Here 1, 2, 3 CH. 1, 2, 3 CH. 1, 2, 3 CH. Count how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Hydrogens 6. Which means C5H6. Okay. So this is the another example. And here another. Count how many carbons and how many hydrogens, and comment in comment box. Okay. So this is the today topic. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ కమెంట్ ఆన్ ది కమెంట్ బాక్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.